Do you want to learn how to fix ChatGPT slow response or lagging? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get to it. The thing is, if you use it on mobile, it works flawlessly. But if you try to use it on browser or the Windows application, it lags a lot. And it's due to the chat thread. If your chat thread becomes too large, it lags on PC. So I was thinking there must be a solution for this. So in finding it, I came across this Reddit post. On it, there's this guy who has created this extension, a Chrome extension, Light Session. So you can go over here on Chrome Web Store and search for it. Chat GPT Light Session. Add it to Chrome. After that, on the top right, you're going to find this puzzle extensions icon. Press on it and then pin this Light Session to your extensions bar. What this basically does is it auto trims your long chat threads to improve the UI performance. And if you're wondering, would it remove the chat conversations from the OpenAI server? No, it doesn't do that. According to the person who have created it, they have said it. The full conversation context, what GPT actually remembers, stays on the OpenAI servers. The extension just trims the hidden HTML nodes that the site keeps in memory, which is what makes the long threads lag or freeze. So in short, GPT still remembers everything. Your browser just doesn't have to render everything. That's it. So once you have enabled the extension, click on it, and then it's going to give you these options. Enable it, the messages to keep. It's going to default to 10, but I would recommend keeping it at 5. Then click on save, go over to Chat GPT and refresh it. Then you're going to see that the ChatGPT Light Session extension is now enabled. Now let's say you open up a chat thread, which is very long. So we're going to press on this one, and there you go. It has opened it up really fast. It only kept the 5 messages because we have set 5 messages there. It's not going to show the other messages, but that does not mean that it's not on the OpenAI server. So you can ask anything here, and it's going to remember your previous chat that you have done with it. And that's it. Most people would suggest you to start a new chat. That also works. But if you want to use your previous chat, which has a long thread, you can use this extension. It works completely fine. And that's it. That's how to fix ChatGPT slow response and lagging. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more ChatGPT related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.